Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Tuesday, December 20, 2022. Yesterday, the markets continued lower once again and triggered an oversold reading on the two-day RSI. And that's what we'll be looking at this morning in today's Daily IQ. So I'm selecting all four instruments. Our setup's based upon entering long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time and exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, this morning, we are trading right at yesterday's closing price as of the time of this recording. So I don't know if we're going to be gapping up or down, but right now we're trading within yesterday's range. So I'm going to use that for our opening area this morning. I'm going to go to opening area, and I'm going to hit equals next to open in prior day range. So that means your open needs to be above yesterday's low, but below yesterday's high. And it doesn't matter if it's gapping up or down. It would still be in yesterday's range. All right, next thing I'm going to do is go to the indicators library. And I'm going to do, from the active today, 3 different options here. I'm going to go from the overbought, oversold, this one right here, the top one, day after two-day RSI below 5. So that's an oversold reading. Next, what I'm going to do is it closed below a 10-day simple moving average. If I scroll down a little bit, it closed below a 200-day simple moving average. All right, that's what I want for this test. Let me go ahead and click on View Results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when you are opening within the prior day range, and the prior day closed below a 10 and 200 simple moving average, and the two-day RSI closed below 5. Historically, 80 samples here in the S&P. We've got 84 in the NASDAQ, 85 in the Dow, 100 in the Russell. Win rates on these are a touch light. S&P coming in, 49% of these have closed above the opening print. For the NASDAQ, 38%. For the Dow, 47%. And the Russell, the highest at 51%. If we look at the average moves, the average loss larger than the average win in the S&P. For the NASDAQ, the average win is larger than the average loss. The Dow, they're very similar in size. And the Russell, the average loss is larger than the average win. So 2 out of the 4 have average losses that are a little bit larger. One is very similar, and one has an average win that's a little bit bigger. The win rates are mostly neutral. NASDAQ, the only one that's kind of weak here. So again, not the strongest pattern here, but at least the NASDAQ has shown a little bit of a tendency to close below the opening print on this following session. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We will see you next time.